Nditimurano ya borithi na nyanake iria ciratetia watho wa kigina wa mwaka uyu irarigiriire na njuragano thutha wa Rex Kanyike Masai wa ukuru wa miaka 29 kurathwo o nginya gukua. Ni undu uria ngwataniro ya Azimio yukireire umuthi makiuga mekurumanira na cira uyu nginyagia kihoto kioneke no mbere iyo marenda INSPEKTA munene wa borithi JAPHETH KOOME na kamanda wa borithi wa Nairobi ADAMSON BUNGEI meyeherie wabici-ini.
As Azimio, and on behalf of the people, we demand that Inspector General JAPHETH KOOME and Nairobi Regional Commander Mr. ADAMSON BUNGEI immediately tender their resignations for failing to protect the peaceful demonstrators.
And the DPP must institute a criminal charge of murder against your person. To the police officer who murdered Rex, you must surrender yourself before Kenyans catch up with you.
Azimio marauga ironda cia rurungani 75 ria makwirire mirurungano-ini yao itire irahona au matire mona kihoto na riu mehitite Rex Masai ni gutuika kionereria gia thabari ya kihoto guku ningi makiuga rurungani othe ria maikirio ngono mabatie kurekio. Ningi maugite abunge 200 aria maranyitire mbaru watho wa kigina bunge-ini ni kionereria ati matirahibiria woni wa ayuthi aya riu makiuga matikerisha rushamio rwa guikio nja mwaka wa 2027.
We urge all Kenyans whose members of parliament voted for the bill to begin the process of their recall. They are dishonorable members. We further ask Gen Zs to develop innovative and creative ways of expediently and accurately effecting this. We're also reminding them that very soon the people of Kenya will be choosing the ballot.
President Ruto no kirirwo gikaro-ini giki Azimio ikiuga akoretwo akinyururia mawatho ma igoti ona kumagarara riu makiuga ni marathugunda kwambiriria mutaratara wa kumuhagura.
Whether William Ruto is impeachable as a president, the constitution is actually very clear, and the Law Society I think had already given an indication that they are concerned about certain things that he has done that actually constitute grounds for impeachment. And those are being compiled, and wherever and whenever a president violates the Constitution, there are grounds enough that the Constitution sets out. He's not above the Constitution, he's not above the law, and he can be impeached. So that is one option that is on the table.
Gukire uguo Azimio ni yuriti mabũrũri marũa matige kunira ritho mateta ma ayuthi ona Kenya na makiria wagarari wa ihoto ri ratafarirwo ni borithi.
We are happy the AU has come out, but why are our international friends quiet? Is it because they have their blue-eyed boy, their puppet here? They do not want to condemn when he's doing blatant things like what we have seen, the death of this young man and 75 others.
Girifotera Kameme TV retwa riakwa ni Mwaura wa Ndung'u.